Today we are going to discuss about circle. Last class we have discussed definition of circle, center of circle, formation of circle, and two circle equations. Two circle equations are x minus x whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square, and other is the circle have a 2 points as a diameter of n points. Then circle equation is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. This type of circle equation we are general equation, and also general equation of circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, and center h comma k equal to minus g comma minus f, and radius r equal to under root of g square plus f square minus c. This type of formulas we studied in last class. Today we are discussing about on completion of this period you will be able to find center and radius of a given circle, to find one end of a diameter when other data is given, to find one end of the diameter when other data is given. Recap. What is the equation of the circle with center h comma k and radius r? What is the equation of circle is x1 by 1 and x2 by 2 as in the points of the diameter? What is the unit circle? So, what is the equation of a circle with center h comma k and radius r is? That is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. What is the equation of the circle with x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 as end points of the diameter is? Equation of the circle is x minus x1 plus into y x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0 is the equation of the circle with diameter points. What is the unit circle? A circle having the radius is 1 unit, that is 1 is called the unit circle, and also point circle. A circle have a with radius is 0 is called point circle, that is full stop or point are called point circle. Today find the center and radius of the circle. X square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Find the center and radius of the circle. X square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Given equation is x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Find the center and radius of the circle. X square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. This is the formation of general equation of the circle. In the general equation, we have to find out the center and radius. Comparing the equation, given equation is x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Comparing the equation, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Compare the given equation with general equation of the circle. So x square equal to x square, here y square equal to y square, and 6 minus 6x equal to minus 2gx, xx equal minus 6 equal to 2g, that is 2g equal to minus 6, and 4y equal to 2fy, yy equal, therefore 2f equal to 4 and c equal to minus 12. So 2g equal to minus 6, therefore g equal to minus 3. So g equal to minus 6 by 2 is that equal to g equal to minus 3. 2f equal to 4 means f equal to 4 by 2. This implies f equal to 2. Center c equal to minus 12. So c equal to constant c equal to minus 12. We have to find out center. Center is minus g comma minus 8. That equal to minus of minus 3 is, that is plus 3, and f equal to minus f equal to minus of 2 is, that is minus 2. Center minus g comma minus f equal to 3 comma 2, that equal to h comma k. Center h comma k. Radius r equal to formula under root of g square plus x square minus c. Here g equal to, what is g? G equal to minus 3 square. G equal to minus 3, g square minus 3 square plus f equal to plus 2 square minus c. That is minus into c is minus 12, minus into minus plus 12 is equal to under root of 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 plus 12 is 25. Under root of 25 is 5. So radius r equal to 5, center h comma k equal to minus g comma minus f equal to 3 comma minus 2, and g comma minus f equal to 3 comma minus 2. This is the first question to find center g comma minus g comma minus f and radius r. I am repeating this question. Find the center and radius of the circle. Find the center and radius of the circle. That is the circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. So given equation is find the center and radius. Center h comma k and radius r. Given equation is x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Comparing with the equation, general equation, comparing the equation with general equation, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So x square plus general equation, comparing given equation with general equation, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Here x square equal to x square clear, y square equal to y square clear, minus 6x equal to 2gx, x equal to x clear, minus 6 equal to 2g, and 2fy minus 6 equal to 2g, 2g equal to minus 6. This means g equal to 6 by 2 is g equal to minus 3, and 2fy equal to 4y, y equal to y, 2f equal to 4. That means f equal to 4 by 2 is implies f equal to 2, g equal to minus 3 and f equal to 2, and constant c equal to minus 12. Center c of h comma k equal to minus g comma minus f. Center c of h comma k equal to minus g comma minus f. That equal to minus g is minus of minus 3 is plus 3, minus of f equal minus of f equal to minus 2. 3 center h comma k equal to 3 comma minus 2. Radius r equal to r equal to formula under root of g square plus f square minus c. That equal to under root of g square is 3 square plus f square is, that is minus 2 square minus of minus 12, that equal to plus 12. Under root of 9 plus 4 plus 12 is equal to under root of 9 plus 4 is 13 plus 12 is 13 plus 12 is 25. Under root of 25 is 5. So therefore radius r equal to find center h comma k equal to 3 comma minus 2. Find the radius and center of the circle 3x square plus 3y square minus 12x plus 6y plus 11 equal to 0. Find the radius and center of the circle 3x square plus 3y square minus 12x plus 6y plus 11 equal to 0. 3x square, find the center and radius of the circle 3x square plus 3y square minus 12x plus 6y plus 11 equal to 0. So given equation is 3x square plus 3y square minus 12x plus 6y plus 11 equal to 0. So if you compare the general equation to this equation, this is not comparable. In general equation, x square quotient is 1, y square quotient is 1. But in that, x square quotient is 3, y square quotient is 3. Therefore, divide the given equation with 3. We get x square 3x square by 3, that is 3x square, 3 3 cancel, 3y square by 3, that is 3 3 cancel y square, minus 12x by 3 is 3 4s are 12 minus 4 minus 4x plus 6y by 3, 2 3s are 6 plus 2y plus 11 by 3 equal to 0. This is the, so then compare the comparing with general equation. So x square x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2f5 plus c equal to 0. X square equal to x square, y square equal to y square plus minus 4x equal to 2gx minus 4x equal to 2gx, x equal to xy and 2g equal to minus 4 plus 2f5, 2f5 equal to 2y. So f 2f equal to 2, that equal to f equal to 1 and c equal to 11 by 3. C equal to 11 by 3. So g equal to minus 2, f equal to 1, c equal to 11 by 3. Center c of h comma k equal to minus z comma minus f equal to minus z comma minus f equal to sorry minus z comma minus f equal to g equal to minus 2 minus z minus of minus 2 equal to plus 2 and f equal to minus f equal to f equal to 1 minus of 1. So center c of h comma k equal to g minus z comma minus f equal to 2 comma minus 1 and radius r equal to under root of g square plus f square minus c. Radius r equal to g square plus f square minus c is equal to under root of g is 2. 2 square plus f square is minus 1 square minus c is 11 by 3. 4 plus 1 minus 11 by 3. So under root of 4 plus 1 is 5. 3 into 5 is 15 minus 11. 15 minus 11 by 3, that is 15 minus 11 is under root 4 by 3 is equal to root 4 is root 4 by root 3. Root 4 is 2 by root 3 is radius. So radius r equal to 2 by root 3 and center h comma k c of h comma k equal to g of h comma minus z comma minus f equal to 2 comma minus 1. This is same question, but in this question criticality is, so problem is, so quotient of x square and y square not 1. So divide the given equation with, we have to convert the given equation with quotient one way. So x square quotient y square quotient 1. So therefore convert divide the given equation with 3. Then after that compare it, find center and radius. So given equation is find the center and radius of the circle is 3x square plus 3y square minus 12x plus 6y plus 11 equal to 0. Given equation is 3x square plus 3y square minus 12x plus 6y plus 11 equal to 0. So this equation is not a correct way in circle equation. Circle equation every x square and every y square quotient is 1. But in the given equation is not, quotient is 3 and 3. So convert this equation into common circle equation, then divide by 3. Given equation divide with 3, that is 3x square by 3 plus 3y square by 3 minus 12x by 3 plus 6y by 3 plus 11 by 3 equal to 0. 3x by 3 means 3 cancel, that is x square. Plus 3y square by 3, 3 cancel, that is y square. Minus 12x by 3, 3 4 the 12, that is minus 4x. Plus 6y by 3 is 2 3 the 6, so that is 6y. Plus 11 by 3 as 11 by 3 equal to 0. Comparing with, so comparing this equation with general equation of circle, that is general equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2f5 plus equal to 0. Here x square equal to x square, y square equal to y square, and minus 4x equal to 2gx plus 2y equal to fy plus c equal to 11 by 3. X square equal to x square clear, y square equal to y square equal to minus 4x equal to 2gx, x equal to x, that is 2g equal to minus 4. 2y equal to 2fy, so y equal 2f equal to 2 and constant c equal to 11 by 3. 2g equal to minus 4 means g equal to minus 4 by 2 is g equal to minus 2. 2f equal to 2, that means f equal to 2 by 2 is f equal to 1. So constant c equal to 11 by 3. So our aim is finding the radius and center and radius. So center c of h comma k equal to minus z comma minus f equal to minus z. Here g value equal to minus 2. Apply g and f values. Minus z, minus of minus 2 is plus 2. minus f minus of 1 equal to minus 1. Center minus g comma minus f equal to 2 comma minus 1. Radius r equal to under root of g square plus f square minus c. That equal to g equal to minus 2 square. So g square equal to minus 2 square under root of g square, that is minus 2 square, plus f square equal to 1 square minus c equal to minus 11 by 3. Under root of 4 plus 1 is 5 minus 11 by 3. 5 minus 11 by 3 is multiply 3 with 5, that equal to 15 minus under root of 15 minus 11 by 3 is under root of 4 by root 4 by 3 is root 4 by root 3, that is root 4 is 2 by root 3. Root 4 is 2 divided by root 3, root 2 by 2 by root 3. Center equal to comma minus 1, radius are equal to 2 by root 3. Next question. If 2 comma 1 is an extreme extremity of a diameter of a circle, 3x square plus 3y square minus 9x plus 15y minus 7 equal to 0. If 2 comma 1 is an extremity of a diameter of the circle, 3x square plus 3y square minus 9x plus 15y minus 7 equal to 0, find the coordinates of the other extremity of the diameter. One extremity is given, we have to find out other extremity of the diameter. Let 2 comma 1 9 a, let a of 2 comma 1 b of x2 comma y2 beyond be the ends of the diameter of a given circle, then the center c of the circle, suppose given, let a of 2 comma 1 and b of x2 comma y2 be the ends of the diameter of the given circle, then center c of the circle equal to midpoint AB. The center C of the circle is midpoint of AB. That is 2 plus x2 by 2, 1 plus y2 by 2. Midpoint is of this, midpoint of the diameter is uh, a center. That is center equal to 2 plus x2 by 2, 1 plus y2 by 2. So given equation of the circle 3x square plus 3y square minus 9x plus 15y minus 7 equal to 0. Given equation of the circle, using this equation, find center. Then compare the center and center. Okay. No? Okay. So given equation not a circle equation. So in the circle equation, in that equation x square quotient is 3 and y square quotient is, convert this equation into this quotient into 1. So divide the given circle equation by 3. We get 3 by 3. So 3x square by 3, 3 cancel x square, plus 3y square by 3, 3 cancel y square, minus 9x by 3 is 3 3 is a 9, that is 3x, plus 15y by 3 is 3 5 are 15, that is 7 5y minus 7 by 3 equal to 0. Comparing the equation with general circle equation, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2y plus c equal to 0, that equal to x square and y square equal to y square, minus 3x equal to 2gx, so x equal to x, 2g equal to minus 3, therefore g equal to minus 3 by 2, and 2f equal to 5, with the f equal to 5 by 2. Center minus g comma minus f equal to minus of minus into minus 3 by 2, minus into minus plus 3 by 2, minus f equal to minus of 5 by 2 is minus 5 by 2. So g comes center 3 by 2 and minus 5 by 2. Compare the above center. Compare the center 2 plus x2 by 2, comma 1 plus y2 by 2 equal to 3 by 2 minus 5 by 2. So 2 plus x2 by 2 by 2 equal to 3 by 2. Denominator 2 cancel. 2 plus x2 equal to 3. So x2 equal to 3 minus 2 equal to x2 equal to 1. And minus 5 by 2 equal to 1 plus y by 2. 2 denominator 2 cancel. 1 plus y2 equal to minus 5. Y2 equal to minus 5 minus 1 is minus 6. The other end of the diameter is 1 comma minus 6. Other end of the diameter is 1 comma minus 6. I am repeating this question. If in this question we have to find out the ends of the diameter. But one end is given, but another end is not given, but circle equation is given. So using circle equation on one end point, we have to find the other end of diameter. So if 2 comma 1 is an extremity of the diameter of the circle is 3x square plus 3y square plus minus 9y plus 15y minus 7 equals 0, find the coordinates of the other extremity of the diameter. So suppose like a of 2 comma 1 and b of x2 comma y2 be the ends of the diameter of the given circle. So ends of the diameter of the given circle. The center C of the circle is midpoint of the circle. The center C is the midpoint of the circle, midpoint of the diameter, midpoint of AB, midpoint of the diameter. Therefore, midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2 is y1 plus y2 by 2. That is 2 plus x2 by 2. That is 1 plus y2 by 2. So midpoint is the center. So center 2 plus x2 by 2, 1 plus y. And find using circle equation, find the other center. So compare this, we have, then we get x2 and y2 values. So given circle equation is 3x square plus 3y square minus 9x plus 15 minus 7. So this is not a proper way of circle equation. So x square and y square have a quotient is 3, but circle equation x square y square have a quotient as 1. So divide the given equation, divide the given circle equation with 3, then we get quotient 1 and 1. So 3x square by 3, that is x square, plus 3y square by 3, that is 3 3 cancel y square. 9x by 3, 3 3 are 9, that is minus 3x. 15y by 3, 3 5 are 15, that is 5y. Minus 7 by 3 equal to 0. So compare this equation with general circle equation, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So x square equal to x square, y square equal to y square, 2gx equal to minus 3. Therefore, 2g equal to minus 3, g equal to minus 3 by 2. And 2fy equal to 2fy equal to 5y, 2f equal to 5, so f equal to 5 by 2. Then center minus g comma minus f equal to minus of g equal to minus 3 by 2, minus into minus plus 3 by 2. F equal to minus of f, but f equal to 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2. So center of the circle is midpoint of is red, or those are equal. 2 plus x2 by 2 equal comma 1 plus y2 by 2 equal to center is 3 by 2 comma minus 5 by 2. Compare this, 2 plus x2 by 2 equal to 3 by 2. And denominator 2 cancel, 2 plus x2 equal to 3. So take out 2 on the right side, x2 equal to 3 minus 2 is x2 equal to 1. And 1 plus y2 equal to y2 by 2 equal to minus 5 by 2. So denominators are 2 to cancel. 1 plus y2 equal to minus 5. Y2 equal to minus 5 minus 1 is take out minus 1 on right side. Y2 equal to minus 5 minus 1 is minus 6. Therefore, the other end of the diameter is 1 comma minus 6. Next question. Find the equation of the circle whose center is 2 comma 3 and which passes through the origin. Find the equation of the circle whose center is 2 comma 3 and which passes through the origin 0 comma 0. So using to other using this origin, find the radius of the circle. Find the equation of the circle whose center is 2 comma 3 and which passes through the origin. Center is given and r not given, but given a one clue. So circle passes through the origin. So origin is the point of the circle. So point to the center. Distance between origin and point to origin to center. Distance between origin and center is the radius. Radius are equal to distance between center and origin. Center 2 comma 3 and origin 0 comma 0. Distance between 2 points is under root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Okay, that is battery is low. Connecting charger. Sorry for the disturbance. Okay. The distance between two points is under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here x2 equal to x1 equal to 0, x3 y2 equal to 3, y1 equal to 0 under root of x2 minus x1 2 minus 0 whole square plus y2 minus 1 2 minus 3 whole square. That equal to under root of 2 square plus 3 square. 2 square is under root of 4 plus 9 is under root of 13. Therefore, radius are equal to root 13. Center h comma k equal to 2 comma 13. Using this center and radius, we have to find circle equation. So, center and radius circle equation is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. So here center h equal to k equal to 3, x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equal to r square is root 13 square. So x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equal to root 13. Here given h comma k equal to 2 comma 3. Apply h equal to and y equal to 3 in x minus h and y minus x minus h whole square and y minus k whole square. Get r square formula. So a minus b whole square formula and a minus b whole square formula, x minus 2 whole square, that is a minus b whole square formula. A minus b whole square formula, a square plus b square minus 2ab, x minus 2 whole square formula, x square a square minus 2ab, x square minus 2 into x into 2 is, that is minus 4x plus b square minus plus 2 square is 4. And other one is also a minus b whole square formula, a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is y square minus 2 into y into 3, that is 6y plus b square equal to 3 square is 9 equal to under root 13 square is square root cancel is equal to 13. X square plus y square minus 6 minus 4y, 4 plus 9 is 13, right side 13, left side 13 cancel. So x square plus y square minus 4 or minus 6y equal to 0. This is the equation of the circle center and which passes through the origin. Second article is find the equation of the circle whose center is 2 comma 3 and which passes through the origin is origin. So origin means 0 comma 0. In that equation, given center not given any other point or radius. Third, but given a hint for center, so circle passing through the origin. That means origin is the point of the circle. Center and circle has a center and one point on the circle. Therefore, distance between point and center to the circle is radius of the circle. Distance between center and point to the circle is the radius of the circle. So radius are equal distance between center and origin. Center 2 comma 3 and origin. So distance between two points formula is under root of y2 x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here 0 comma 0 is x1 x2 x1 y1 and 2 comma 3 is x2 y2. So under root of x2 minus x1, that is 2 minus 0 whole square plus y2 minus y1 3 minus 0 whole square under root of 2 minus 0 whole square plus 3 minus 0 whole square. So under root of 2 square is 4 plus 3 square is 9, 4 plus 9 is equal to under root of 4 plus 9 is 13. The equation of the circle with center 2 comma 3 and radius 13 is, the equation of the circle with center 2 comma 3 and radius 13 is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. The equation of the circle center 2 comma 3 and radius 13 is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Equation having center and radius formula is x minus center x comma k and radius r formula is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Here h equal to 2 and k equal to 3. Apply h and k values. X minus h whole square means x minus h is 2, h minus x minus 2 whole square plus y minus k whole square means k equal to 3, y minus 3 whole square is equal to r square means root 3 square. Square root cancel in right side, that is 13. Left side is x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. A minus 2 whole square formula, a square minus 2ab plus b square. That is x minus 2 whole square is x square a square minus 2ab minus 2 into x into 2. A is x, b equal to x square minus 22 is minus 4x plus b square is 2 square. 2 square is 4. X square minus 4x plus 4 plus y minus 3 whole square is a minus b whole square comma a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here a square is y square minus 2 into ab 2 into y into 3, that is minus 2 into 3 is 6y plus b square is 3 square equal to 13. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y, 4 plus 9 is 13. 13 equal, take out 13 on the right side, 13 minus 13 is 0. So x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y equal to 0. Summary. We have discussed about finding the center and radius of the circle. In the topic we discussed about finding center and radius of the circle, finding one end of a diameter, finding equation of the circle. Discussed finding center and radius of the circle, finding one end of a diameter. So given a circle equation and one end of diameter is given, and we have to find out other end of the diameter. Finding given circle equation. So center is given, but radius not given, and other point not given. So given a one element which is passing through the uh, origin, in the using this center and origin, we are finding the radius. Then use radius and center and find circle equation. Assignment. Find the center and radius of the circle. X square plus 4x minus 6y equal to 0. Compare center and radius. Compare this equation with the general equation of the circle. X square plus y square plus 2x plus 2fy equal to 2fy plus c equal to 0. Here c equal to 0. X square equal to x square, y square equal to y square. So 2gx equal to 4x. Therefore 2g equal to 4. G equal to 4 by 2 is 2. 2f equal to minus 6. So f equal to minus 3. Center h comma k equal to minus g comma minus f, that equal to g minus g equal to minus into g is 2 minus 2 comma minus f minus of minus 3 is plus 3 2 comma 3, and radius r equal to g square under root of radius r equal to under root of g square plus f square minus c, that equal to under root of 2 square plus 3 square minus c is minus 0, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 2 square equal 4, 3 square equal 9, 9 plus 3 is 13 minus c is 0, 13 minus 0, 0 is 13. Find the center and radius of the circle. 5x square plus y square, 5y square minus 2x minus 3y equal to 0 is, so compare the given equation is not correct way, because x square have a quotient 5 and y square have a quotient. First convert the equation as x square and y square have quotient 1. So divide the given equation with 5. That is 5x square plus 5y square. Divide with 5x square by 5, that is x square. 5y square by 5, that is y square. Minus 2x by 5 minus 3y by 5 equal to 0. So compare the given equation with general circle equation. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy, 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Here c equal to 0. So 2 by 5 equal to 2 by 5 equal to 2g minus 2 by 5 equal 2g equal to minus, so x square equal to x square, y square equal to y square, 2gx equal to minus 2 by 5x. So 2 minus 2 by 5 equal to 2g, g equal to minus 1 by 5, 2f equal to minus 3 by 5, 2f equal to minus 3 by 5. So f equal to 3 by 2 into 5 equal to minus 3 by 10. So center minus z comma minus f equal to minus of minus 1 by 5 equal to plus 1 by 5, minus f equal to minus of minus 3 by 10 equal to plus 3 by 10. Center equal to 1 by 5 and 3 by 10. So radius r equal to under root of f square plus g square plus x square minus c. Here c equal to 0, g square plus f square equal to 1 by 5 whole square plus 3 by 10 whole square. Convert this equation into multiply and divide with 1 by 5, that is 2 by 10. 2 by 10 whole square plus 3 by 10 whole square. 4 by 100 plus 9 by 100. 4 by 100 plus 9, 4 plus 9 is 13 by 100. 13 root 13 by root 100. Root 13 by root 13 by 100 is 10. Root 13 by 10 is the radius. Find the equation of the circle which has its center at the end. At the point 6, 1 and touches the straight line 3x plus 12 minus 3 equal 0. Find the equation of the circle which has its center at the point, and touches the straight line 5x plus 12 minus 3. Find the equation of the circle which has its center. Here, given center is given and straight line touches the circle, then using this, uh, find the radius of it. So radius is the perpendicular distance from point to the line is the radius of the circle. So point to the line, perpendicular distance point to the line is radius. Radius is perpendicular distance point to the line. R equal to, so point to the line, mod of ax1 plus by1 plus c by under root of a square plus b square. So perpendicular distance from point to the line. So center to point, center to straight line is the perpendicular. So perpendicular distance point to the line. Then using this formula, we have to find the center. So the center, using the center, find equation of the circle. If 3 comma 4 is one end of a diameter of a circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 11 equals 0, find other end of the diameter. So consider, let other end is x2 plus y2 and one end is 3 comma 4. 3 comma 4. So midpoint of the diameter is 3 plus x2 by 2 plus 4 plus y2 by 2. This is the center, and using circle equation find the other center. Compare these two centers and using compare two centers. Then we have, then using this find x2 and y2 of other end. Objectives: on completion of this period, you will be able to find equation of a given circle passing to the point. Recap: what is the radius and center of the circle x square plus y square 2gx square? What is the equation of the circle with center h comma k and radius r? What is the equation of circle with center h comma k and radius r? So find the equation of the given circle passing to the point 0 comma 0 and comma 6 comma 0 and 0 comma 8. Equation of the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy equal to 0, given that the circle passes through 0 comma 0, 6 comma 0 and 0 comma y. Substituting the point on the equation 1, we get 0 comma 0 substituting 0 square plus 0 square plus 2g into 0 2f into 0 plus c equal to 0, therefore c equal to 0. Apply 6 comma 0 and on equation. So 6 square plus 0 square x equal to 6, 6 square plus 0 square plus 2g into 6 plus 2f into 0 plus c is 0. That equal to 6, 6 square plus 12g equal to 0, 12g equal to minus 36, g equal to 3. And other is apply other find to, that is 0 comma 8, x equal to 0, y equal to 8. 0 square plus 8 square 64 plus 2g into 0, 0, 2f into 8 plus c is 0 equal to 0. So 64 plus 16f equal to 0, 16f equal to 64, f equal to minus 4. Substituting g comma f comma c values in the equation 1, we get the equation of the circle as x square plus y square minus 6g minus 8y equal to 0. Find the equation of a circle passing through the points 1 comma 1, 2 comma minus 1 and 3 comma before, as before question. Equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy equal to 2fy plus c equal to 0, given that the circle passes through 1 comma 1, 2 comma minus 1 and 3 comma 2. Substitute the above points in the equation and we get substitute first point 1 square x equal to 1, y equal to 1, 1 square plus 1 square 2g into 1, 2f into 1 plus c equal to 0. That equal to 2g plus 2, 1 plus 1 is 2, take out right side, 2g plus 2f plus c equal to minus 2. And apply second point on the equation 1, that is x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 1. 2 x square is 2 square plus 1 square plus 2g into 2 plus 2f into minus 1 plus c equal to 0. That will give 4g minus 2f plus c, take out 4 plus 1 5 on right side, 4g minus 2f plus c equal to minus 5. Apply 3 comma 2 on point on equation 1. Here x equal to 3 and y equal to c square plus 2 square plus 2g into 3 2f into 2 plus c equal to 0. Using that 6g 9 plus 4 6g plus 4c plus c equal to 0. That equal to 6g plus 4 4f plus c equal to, take out 9 plus 4 right side, that is minus 10. Solving 2 and 3 and 4, we get 2 minus 3 equal to 2g plus 4f equal to 3 and 2 minus 4 equal to minus 4g minus 2f equal to 11. So 2 into 5 equal to 4g minus 8f equal to 6, and 6 is 4 minus 4g minus 2f equal to 11. Following these two, 4g cancel. 10f equal to minus 5, 6 minus 11 is minus 5. So f equal to minus 1 by 2. Use f value 2g plus 4f equal to 3 means minus 2g plus 4 into minus 1 by 2 equal to 3. Minus 2g minus 2 equal to 3. So minus 2g equal to 5. G equal to minus 5 by 2. Use substituting g comma f and c values in equation 2. So we get f and g in equation 2, 2g plus 2f plus c equal to minus 2, 2 into minus 5 by 2 plus 2 into minus 1 by 2, so c equal to minus 2, 2 to cancel minus 5, minus 1 plus c equal to is minus 6 minus 4, c equal to 4. The equation of the circle is x square. Apply ABC. F, G, C values. I mean, general the equation of the circle is x square plus y square minus 5g minus y plus 4 equal to 0. Summary. We have discussed about finding the equation of a circle when 3 points on its A are given. Assignment. Find the equation of circle passing through the point 0, comma 0, 6, comma 0 and 8, comma 4. Find the equation of the circle passing through the points 5, comma 2, 2, comma 1 and 0, comma 0. So total circle discussion is totally completed. So next we have to start conic section.